All right, we are using two different colors of yarn, and we're going to use these two yarns to cast on using the knit to purl to method. And we are going to cast on with the gray and the green. And it depends which way we cast on to get the color you want at the bottom. This one, I have the gray and then the greens on the outside. So I'm going to show you how to do the knit to purl to by casting on, because what you're going to do is start off with the color of preference. In this case, I'm going to start on with my gray, and then near the end, I'm going to end with the green. So it's going to be 2 gray, 2 green, 2 gray, 2 green. So let's get started on the tutorial. All right. I like how casting on looks because it has a bit of the silver on it. So I'm going to go ahead and cast on with 2 yarns. It's going to be the silver gray metallic and it's going to be the green. So I'm going to go ahead and have 2 silver, 2 green, 2 silver, 2 green. So as you're knitting, you want to start off with the gray silver metallic first, because you're going to end in that, and you want the green to be first because you're going to knit to purl to. You're going to do that after you cast on your stitches. So I like how the silver looks. So what I'm going to do is cast on where the green's going to be in the center to pull out, and the silver will be on the outside. All right, I just want to make a correction at what I had said there. You want to have the green on the outside and you want to have the gray on the inside, and you will get this effect when you're casting on. You'll have the gray silver metallic showing like that. Now you can do what I just said, but the green will be, it'll be the opposite. The green will be there. So whichever way you choose, go ahead and do the first method, or you can do the second method. So I just wanted to put that in there. So it doesn't really matter which method you use. It all depends on which color you'd like to see there. All right, let's continue knitting. So we're gonna knit 2 silver, knit 2 green, knit 2 silver, all the way across, 2 at a time, because you're going to be doing knit to purl to. So we're going to start off with the gray silver metallic. Okay, we're going to cast on 2 of the silver metallic. Okay, and that's going to be your first stitches. So we're going to do 1 and 2 of that. And then we're going to do 2 of the green. So we're going to do 2 of the green. We're doing long tail cast on method. We're going to pull the gray silver metallic underneath, and the green's going to stay on the outside. We're going to do 2, 1 and 2. We're going to do 72 stitches, and we're going to do that all the way across. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 of the gray. We're going to do 2 of the green. We're going to do 2 of the gray. And that is how you cast on using 2 different strands of yarn while you're getting into the knit to purl to stitches. You have to have your 2 colors of one and your 2 colors of the other as you're going. So that'll help you do your knit to purl to. You'll have everything in order, and you can just go ahead and start knitting knit to purl to. All right, everyone, thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And happy knitting, everyone. See you next time.